Hi, I'm Taylor Hagler. Hyundai's IONIQ N models bring electrified performance to the road and track. And as part of the experience, you can adjust many of the performance settings of your IONIQ N. Before changing settings, be certain to go through the complete N tutorial in your vehicle by selecting N mode, then the menu icon, and then tutorial. N eShift and N Active Sound Plus work together to deliver an engaging shift feeling and sound. N eShift provides a sense of power delivery by simulating the traditional feeling of an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. N eShift can only be activated when the drive mode is set to normal, sport, or N mode. And it cannot be activated if any of the following functions or settings are active: N Drift Optimizer, N Grin Boost, Cruise Control or Smart Cruise Control, or Manual Speed Limit. You can activate N eShift via the Performance Options menu in the N mode screens. N eShift and N Active Sound Plus will both engage. Or set one of the N buttons to turn it on and off. Once engaged, you can use the paddle shifters to simulate shifting up and down. You can exit N eShift by pulling and holding either paddle shifter for 2 seconds, and pressing an N button can exit it as well, depending on the settings for that particular N button. And be sure to watch the N Active Sound Plus video to see how to change settings for that feature. For more information on the features of your IONIQ N, be sure to consult your owner's manual available at My Hyundai or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to watch all the IONIQ N videos on the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and at My Hyundai. You're going to want to know everything about these special vehicles. They're a lot of fun.